Hello and Namaste everyone. I am Avinash Kumar. Welcome back to AsanaX. In this video, we will learn about Garudasana step by step.
Before we start, avoid this pose if you have recent knee or ankle injury, severe balance disorders, acute shoulder pain. Practice near a wall if you are a beginner. Step 1. Stand upright comfortably with your spine straight. Step 2. Now open your arms for better balance and raise one leg forward. Step 3. Bend your second leg's knee slightly and cross the raised leg over thigh and hook behind calf muscle. Step 4. Stretch your arms forward. Cross your arms in similar pattern like your legs and bring your palms together. Step 5. Bring your arms in front of your nose. Keep your spine tall and focus on one point. Breathe normally and hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Step 6. Now slowly release and relax. Repeat on the opposite side. Common mistakes: rounding the back, leaning too far forward, holding the breath, letting the standing knee lock, losing focus. Benefits: improves balance and coordination, strengthens the legs and ankles, stretches the shoulders and upper back, improves concentration and body awareness, enhances hip and shoulder mobility. So that's how you practice Garudasana correctly. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it to your friends. In next video, we will learn about Ardha Matsyendrasana. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.